Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and man, do I got a good one for you. I got a 1967 Chevrolet Camaro SS. This car is finished in beautiful red with red interior. It's got the white convertible top and the white nose stripe on it. It's got beautiful American Racing torque thrust wheels on it. All the chrome looks great. We're going to take a look at it. If you have any questions on this car, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take a look at this 1967 Chevrolet Camaro SS. Like I said, this car is absolutely gorgeous, finished in that beautiful red with the red interior. It's powered by the 327, power steering, power disc brakes, and we're going to take a look at it. All of the paint and bodywork on this car is in excellent condition. Really looks good. Like I said, it's got those torque thrust American Racing wheels on it. And we'll take a look at the passenger side of the interior first. All the interior is absolutely beautiful on this car. This car does have a power convertible top. It is a power convertible top. It's got the console. It's got the 327 with a performance cam in it. Sounds good. It hits a little lick, like we say in Kentucky here, but really looks good. Nice and clean on the carpet and the interior. All the doors look good on the car. That's what we look for a lot of times in these old cars, is how the doors look. That'll tell you about the rest of the car. We'll shut the door here. We'll take a look inside the trunk. Inside the trunk is finished beautifully with a splatter paint. Really looks good. All nice and clean on the inside of the trunk. Like I said, it's got the splatter paint. All even. Looks nice. Trunk lid itself looks good. So, shut the trunk. We're going to start and see how it sounds. Car really sounds good. Like I said, it's got a nice little cam. We'll take a look at the driver's side of the interior here. All the interior is finished beautifully. It's got a nice radio in it. Works great. It's really nice and clean on that interior. Really looks good. Doors all look good. All the door gaps look good. It's a really nice car. We'll take a look underneath the hood. Like I said, underneath the hood's powered by the 327, power steering, power disc brakes. Really nice and clean underneath the hood. Show you the tag here, the trim tag. A second, it'll zoom in. You can pause that right in the video if you'd like, and it'll show you the trim options on the car. But really nice and clean underneath the hood. Really looks good. Shut the hood here. We'll take one more quick look at the 1967 Chevrolet Camaro SS Convertible. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take this Camaro for a test drive. Don't forget to tune in at the end. We do have an underneath video of the car, so stay to the end. Like and subscribe on our page, and we're going to take this Camaro for a test drive. All right, we're going to take this 1967 Chevrolet Camaro SS Convertible for a test drive and see how it does. Absolutely gorgeous day here in Kentucky. Perfect day to be driving classic cars. We're going to take the top down on this one, go for a ride, see how it does. The radio works great in this car. Unfortunately, due to YouTube, I cannot show you due to copyright purposes. But if you'd like to see the radio working, just let me know. I'll get you a video of that, no problem. We're going to go for a ride, and here we go. Car runs and drives great, shifts through all the gears the right way. Just an excellent run and driving car. rattles or shakes when you drive it. Really, really does good. Doesn't pull to the left or the right. I'm going to turn around and head back here. Show you the blinkers working on each side. We're going to turn around and head back, and like I do every time, I'm going to have him get on it just a little bit, and we'll see what this car's made of. All right, here we go. Car shifts through all the gears the right way. Really just an excellent running, driving car. It's got good power. Just a really, really nice car. We are almost back here. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. If you have any questions on this car, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at CentralKentuckyClassicCars.com. We do offer shipping and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. We're going to show you what this car looks like underneath, and here's the underneath.